Expert claims humans could achieve immortality by 2030 thanks to AI, nanobots, and brain cloud backups. Futurist and computer scientist Ray Kurzweil has predicted that human immortality could be achievable as soon as 2030. Known for his bold and often accurate forecasts, Kurzweil envisions a near future where nanobots will flow through our bloodstream, repairing damage at a cellular level and linking our brains to the cloud. By advancing human life expectancy more than a year every year, Kurzweil believes humanity will effectively achieve immortality, marking a major step toward the AI-driven singularity he anticipates in 2045. Kurzweil's confidence stems from his track record of technological predictions, including the rise of portable computers, smartphones, and AI advancements. While his vision may seem far-fetched, brain-computer interfaces are already progressing, with devices allowing paralyzed patients to communicate and primates to control computers using their minds. Nanotechnology has also shown promise in targeted medical treatments, but the leap to Kurzweil's vision backing up memories to the cloud and enhancing brain power is still a long way off. Do you think you will live to see it happen?